Hi, this is Gunsekar. I am from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. So last 2 years back, I bought the house from Saritha developers. So really, I am very happy to be the part of Saritha group. So we are really enjoying the features and the amenities provided over here. So what I feel is the investment which I made here is worth value added. Whatever they promised for the time of delivery, they almost reached that. And the neighbors and my friends who are staying here, they are very cooperative. So coming to these sector developers, they are very cooperative, they are very friendly, and we can approach them very easily. And whenever we face any issues and we contacted them, they addressed it very fast. And so whatever the life we are living here is we are very happy. And all the hospitals, bus stands and railway stations are very easily approachable here. So the last word what I can say is we are happily living here in the Saritha Developer Society.